fun will never end.
The best nest. Boo! I'm Bodge.
I'm feeling sort of flat, 'cause I cannot find my hat. It's battered and it's old. Without it, my head's cold. Brrr. I'm telling you, I ain't got nothing to wear. Where is my hat?
Oh, that's a sad song, Pops.
It sure is, Bodge. I'm singing a sad song because I lost my hat.
Ooh, so you have.
I'm sorry, Pops. I've searched all over the house for your hat. I can't find it anywhere.
Oh, thanks for looking, Mimi. Who knows where it's gone? I don't feel like me without my hat, and my head's all shivery tingle.
Don't worry, Pops. I'll find your hat. I'm going to search all over Giggly Park. See you later.
Oh, he's a good boy. I'm feeling mighty flat.
Because you can't find your hat.
No hat here. No hat here. No hat here. No hat here. Where is Pops's hat? Oh, I can't find Pops's hat anywhere. Ooh, that's a funny wobbly whistle. Denzel, it's you. You're the wobbly whistler.
Hello, Bodge. It's not just me whistling. Listen.
Ooh, what is it?
I don't know, but I wish I did.
I wish I could find Pops's hat. He's lost it, and I've looked everywhere.
Oh, poor Pops.
Hey, how about I help you find your wobbly whistler, and you help me find Pops's hat?
All right.
Whistle, Denzel, whistle. No hat here, and no wobbly whistler either.
I'm all whistled out.
Look, Denzel!
It's a big bird.
Sitting in Pops's hat.
And it's doing the wobbly whistle.
Yay! What's it saying, Denzel?
I've no idea.
Hello, Birdie. Can Pops have his hat back, please?
I don't think it wants to give it back.
But Pops needs his hat back. His head is all shivery tingle and he doesn't feel like Pops without it. Can he have it back, please?
Oh, Bodge.
Huh? Mr. Clopperty?
Over here.
The bush. It's talking.
Hello, lads.
Hello, Mr. Clopperty. You're in a bush.
It's my bird-watching hide. I made it so I can watch birds without them seeing me.
Ooh.
The giggly warbler is getting upset. You'd better come inside. You're on my hoof.
Sorry.
It is a tight squeeze for 3, but perfect for watching the very rare giggly warbler. Ah, the giggly warbler. An avian jewel in nature's crown. Never has a warble been so warbly, or plumage been so plumy.
Can I look, Mr. Clopperty?
Oh, of course, Bodge.
Ooh. It's a lovely, happy, flappy bird. But it is sitting in Pops's hat. And I promised Pops I'd find it and get it back on his head.
Oh, careful with those binoculars.
Oh, my foot. Sorry. Oof.
Pops is going to have to wait to get his hat back. The giggly warbler has turned it into her home.
Oh, dear.
Pops may be hatless, but she will be homeless.
Oh, no.
Anyway, I need to fill up my flask. You can keep an eye on our special bird.
Okie dokie, Mr. Clopperty.
I know, Pops. Let's sing a happy song. That always cheers you up. Take it away, Pops.
I'm feeling sort of flat.
We really need to find your hat.
Well, I think it's silly using your dad's hat as a nest.
Ooh. Huh?
Sorry.
Don't be, Denzel. All these happy, flappy birds are proper nests, not Pops's hat.
Where are you going, Bodge?
To get twigs and leaves. We're going to build a proper nest, fit for a giggly warbler. Come on! Mr. Clopperty.
Oh, hello. Oh, what's that?
We made this for the giggly warbler.
It's a proper nest.
So the giggly warbler can use this instead of Pops's hat.
Well, it's certainly cosy with all these leaves. Quality craftsmanship.
Come on, Birdie. We've made you a new home.
It isn't working.
Oh, wait a minute. Something's happening. Well, look at that. It's just laid an egg. Pops's hat is now a proper nest. I'm afraid we can't move it now. Quite wonderful.
So how long will it be before Pops can have his hat back, Mr. Clopperty?
Oh, it'll just be a few weeks before the egg hatches.
Weeks? But Pops needs his hat now.
Doesn't Pops have another hat?
I've just had a BojABoom idea. Oopsie. The giggly warbler doesn't want my nest, but I know someone who might. Let's get bodging! Boo! I found your hat, Pops.
You found it?
Yes, but you can't have it. A really rare bird has laid an egg in it. It won't hatch for weeks.
Well, it sounds like that bird needs my hat more than I do. I'd better let it be.
But you can wear this until you get your old one back.
Well, I'm not sure.
Nice hat, Pops. It really suits you.
It does? Oh, lovely leafy lining too. Nice and warm. Thank you.
Thank you, Pops. Your hat has made a nest.
Thank you, Bodge, for getting my head dressed.
And thank you, Giggly Warbler. Your singing is the best.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.